Welcome back to another Wealth Code video, guys. Like, subscribe and comment if you want to see more of our great videos. Have you ever thought about how to make extra cash while juggling classes and studying? Imagine your bank account growing as easily as a plant thriving in the sun. Well, those financial seeds can be sown through side hustles, and today we'll explore the best options for college students like you. Think about it. Just as you pick up an extra shift at a part-time job, a side hustle can be flexible and fit into your life like your favorite pair of jeans. From freelancing to starting a small online store, there's no shortage of opportunities. The great part is, you can customize your hustle to your skills and interests. So, are you ready to explore how you can turn spare time into cash? Let's dive into some amazing side hustles that can help you financially thrive in college. Freelancing is like being a superhero. You get to choose your mission. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, or coding, platforms like Upwork or Fiverr let you sell those abilities. Imagine selling your talent, just like a chef selling delicious cookies at a bake sale. You create your profile, showcase your skills, and clients come to you. It's flexible. You decide when and how much you want to work. Students often have unique talents that can earn cash on the side, allowing you to choose projects that interest you. Just as you'd set a goal to get a good grade, setting goals for your freelancing job can help keep you motivated. Plus, this can build your resume while you study. So, are you ready to put your skills to work and freelance your way to extra income? Tutoring is like being a coach in a sport. You guide others to success. If you're good at a subject, why not share that knowledge? You can help fellow students who find certain topics challenging while earning money. Just like how a friend might help you with a tough class, you can offer your expertise in math, English, or science. Platforms like Wisent, or even local college bulletin boards, can help you find students who need your tutoring. Think of it as turning your study sessions into paid ones. Plus, when you teach, you reinforce your understanding, making it easier for you too. By helping others, you build your confidence, improve your communication skills, and earn some cash. Isn't that a win-win? So why not consider tutoring as one of your potential side hustles? Selling handmade goods is like hosting a cool yard sale, only better. If you're crafty or artistic, consider turning your hobbies into profit. Think about it. If you enjoy making jewelry or art, you can sell your creations online through platforms like Etsy or at local craft fairs. It's your chance to shine, just like a diamond you created. Start by making items you're passionate about. They'll be more authentic that way. Plus, as you sell, you'll learn about marketing and customer interaction, which are great skills for your future. Just picture creating a stunning piece of art and then seeing it go to a happy buyer, all while adding some dollars to your wallet. This side hustle helps you nourish your creativity and earn while doing what you love. So, unleash your creativity and consider selling your handmade treasures. Delivering food and goods is like being a friendly messenger. You bring happiness to others. Services like DoorDash or Uber Eats let you deliver meals or groceries in your free time. Picture this. You earn money simply by picking up food orders at restaurants and delivering them to hungry customers. It's flexible since you can choose when to work. Think of it as going for a casual bike ride, but earning money for it. Plus, you'll learn about time management and get to explore your community as you hustle. On busy weekends, you can earn extra money quickly while connecting with people in your city. It's about being active and part of the vibrant life outside the campus. So if you enjoy making people happy with food, and have flexible hours, this could be a great side hustle for you. Think of being a virtual assistant like being an office superhero, just from your bedroom. Businesses often need help managing their tasks, like scheduling or responding to emails, and you can provide that help from anywhere. If you're organized and good at communication, this side hustle can be perfect for you. Platforms like Belay or Fancy Hands connect you with entrepreneurs who need assistance. It's similar to helping a friend plan an event. You're taking care of the details while they focus on the big picture. This side hustle can also help you gain valuable experience and skills that businesses look for in future employees. As you manage different tasks, you build your multitasking ability, which is super helpful. Are you ready to step into this role where you can assist from anywhere? Participating in online surveys is like sharing your opinion at a coffee shop, but getting paid for it. Companies are eager to hear what you think about their products or services, and they're willing to compensate you for your time. Websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie connect you to brands looking for consumer feedback. Just like sharing your favorite pizza place with friends, you share your thoughts and earn money. It's easy, flexible, and can be done between classes or while watching TV. Sure, it won't replace a paycheck, but every little bit adds up. Plus, if you enjoy providing feedback, this could be a fun and simple way to earn some extra cash without much commitment. Ready to share your thoughts and earn while doing it? Dive into the world of online surveys. Starting a blog or YouTube channel is like setting up a creative stage for your thoughts. If you love to write, share experiences, or teach, these platforms allow you to express yourself while potentially making money. Think about a topic you're passionate about, like fashion, gaming, or travel, and create engaging content around it. As your audience grows, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing, turning your hobby into a source of income. It's similar to sharing your favorite recipes with friends, only you may reach thousands. Not only will this develop your creativity and communication skills, but it can also serve as an incredible portfolio for future opportunities. Excited to share your unique perspective and connect with others? Your online journey starts here. Now that you've explored different side hustles, it's time to find your fit. Each option offers unique benefits and chances to earn money while doing what you love. Consider your skills and interests. Are you a great writer, a crafty creator, or excellent at organizing? Just like picking classes that excite you, choose a side hustle that resonates with you. Remember, the goal isn't just to make money, but also to learn and grow. Start small and see what works for you. Don't let fear hold you back. Every little step leads to big results over time. We encourage you to take action today. Dive into the world of side hustles and let us know what you choose in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Together, let's create wealth while you're in college. For more videos from Wealth Code, don't forget to like and subscribe.